Good morning, Year 2, and welcome to today's maths meeting. Before we begin, you will need something to write on and something to write with. Please pause this video now if you do not have this equipment and join us when you're ready. Let's begin. We're going to start off with our months of the year rhyme. Please join in with me. 30 days have September, April, June and November. All the rest have 31 except February alone, which has but 28 days clear and 29 in each leap year. Well done! I want you to think about how many days are in the month of April. How many days are in the month of August? Pause the video now and complete the two sentences. There are days in April. There are days in August. Let's check our answers. There are 30 days in April. There are 31 days in August. Good work, Year 2. We are going to move on to our multiples. Have a look at the number track and see if you can spot the pattern in this sequence. Well done! You have spotted that we are counting in fives. Are the numbers increasing or decreasing? Remember, increasing means the numbers are getting bigger. Decreasing means the numbers are getting smaller. Well done. You have spotted the numbers are decreasing. They are getting smaller each time. Now can you pause the video and find the missing numbers in my number track? Let's check our answers. 85, 80, 75, 70, 65, 60, 55, 50, 45, 40. Good job. Now we're going to look at a picture which represents a multiplication equation. Remember, we call this an array. I have some apples which are grouped into rows and columns. Let's answer the first question together. How many rows of apples are there? Let's check. There are 1, 2, 3 rows of apples. There are 3 rows. Can you now please pause the video and complete the next two sentences? There are apples in each row. There are apples all together. Well done, Year 2. Let's check your sentences. How many apples are in each row? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples in each row. How many apples are there all together? Remember, we don't need to count them out individually. We know that there are 5 in each row, therefore we can count in fives. 5, 10, 15. There are 15 apples all together. Could you now please pause the video and complete a multiplication equation for this array? Let's check our answer. You should have had the multiplication equation. 5 multiplied by 3 equals 15. Good work, Year 2. We're going to move on to Patty place value. We have 100 square here to help us complete our sentences. 10 more than 56 is, 10 less than 19 is. Please pause the video and complete the sentences. Good work. Let's check our answer. So for the first sentence, we first need to identify 56 on our 100 square. We know we are looking for 10 more, so we are just going to jump down vertically on our 100 square and we land on 66. 10 more than 56 is 66. For our second sentence, we need to first identify 19 on our 100 square. This time we know we are looking for 10 less, so we are going to hop up vertically on our 100 square and we land on 9. 10 less than 19 is 9. Well done. Know what Noah knows. Could you please pause the video and complete the equations of your number bonds to 100? Let's check our answer. 85 add 15 is equal to 100. 78 add 22 is equal to 100. You may have spotted that the next two equations were very similar. You could have used your knowledge of inverse operations to swap the numbers around. 100 subtract 15 equals 85. 100 subtract 78 equals 22. Well spotted, Year 2. We are going to move on to Shayer's shapes, and today we are looking at 3D shapes. I would like you to pause the video and name as many 3D shapes as you can. Off you go. Let's check how many 3D shapes you named correctly. First, there was a sphere. Then we had a cube. Next, we had a cuboid. Then we had a cylinder. Then we had a hexagonal prism. Here we had a triangular prism. Then we had a cone. Then we had a square-based pyramid. And finally, we had a triangular-based pyramid. Good work, Year 2. I know you named so many of those 3D shapes. Shayer is thinking of a 3D shape with one square face. What shape could she be thinking of? She is thinking of a 3D shape with one square face. What shape is she thinking of? Pause the video and work out your answer. Let's check. Shayer was thinking of a square-based pyramid. A square-based pyramid has one square face. Well done, Year 2, for all of your hard work in your maths meetings this week. Take care.